It's your girl Amber Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you are feeling this hair and you would like to know the details on this hair, make sure you stay tuned. Wait a minute, before I go on, won't you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead. You're not going to want to miss out on this. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to my channel, so go ahead and show your girl some love. Alright, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Let's go ahead and get into the details of this gorgeous hair. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to find out the details of this hair. So today I'm bringing you guys Sensational Cloud 9 in this purple packaging. And this is the Vixen wig. And this is deep spiral, and it says that it is 24 inches. Now, I have this in the color 1B, which the color on this card I absolutely love. I should have got it in that color because I do like that gray color. But this wig comes in 8 different colors, special colors that's available. And it's listed here on the back. So you guys know that I like to unbox with you, so I'm going to go ahead and pull her out the package. Alright, so we have her here in the packet. So far so good. It looks like she is a pretty wig. It is definitely a lot of hair on this wig. They already have it bundled up in the ponytails in the 4 different sections that's on here. So let me pull these ponytails out and let's see what this hair is looking like. This is definitely a lot of hair, guys. This wig is very, very, very dense. Like I said, it is the Vixen wig, so it has the 4-way part, and then it still has the part that goes all the way down the middle of the wig, and then it has the part that goes across, so it makes like a cross section. So it's 4 sections in this this wig. The hair is very curly, so I am going to say that this hair probably will definitely tangle after a while, after wearing it for a little bit. I haven't gotten any shedding with going through the wig, which is actually pretty good. That's pretty decent. There was the lace on the wig, however I already cut the lace off. As you can see, the lace went all the way around the front of the wig. The parting space is nice in there, if you guys can see that right there up in the light. The parting space is really nice in this wig. It does have baby hairs in here. It has nice little baby hairs in it. And on the inside of it, there are 2 combs in the front, and there are 2 combs in the back. And then there was also lace around the nape area, and I'm sure that's because you could pull the wig up into a high bun. Oh, and I'm sorry guys, there's also 2 more combs in the front, so there's a total of 4 combs in this wig, and then it has the adjustable straps in this wig. So let me go ahead and take my scarf off so that we can go ahead and try her on. Let's see what she looks like. So I can definitely tell you, like, right off the bat that this wig is not big head friendly. I don't know if I have a big head or not. I don't know, but I normally don't have these problems with the wigs, and I normally have to pull the straps really tight to get it to fit tightly on my head. But however, this feels like it's kind of loose, so what I'm going to do is adjust the straps in the back of the wig. Okay, there we go. So now I have her on. If you guys see me looking away from the camera, it's because I have my mirror right here. So I'm looking at the mirror so I can kind of style the wig and give it some type of style to it so you guys can really see what it looks like. This is definitely a lot of hair, guys. It's definitely a lot of hair. So if you like big hair, this hair is definitely for you. I'm feeling this hair. I like big hair personally. I think it's cute. I think it's gorgeous. I like the curls that is in this wig. So let me go ahead and see if I can fix her up real quick. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp her back and style the hair that is on this wig. I might have to go off camera and do it only because my mirrors are not set up right now. And listen, I already like her. Even with me just clamping her back, that right there is gorgeous in itself. And I could feel the wig like slipping back. So you are definitely going to have to secure this wig. I don't know if you'll add bobby pins into it or however you would do it. Me personally, I would probably lay this down and then add some bobby pins into it. So let me go ahead and style this wig and lay her down. I'm just going to lay her down right here. I want to lay her down with this with the Got To Be glue, and then I'm going to lay down my baby hairs, and I'll go ahead and do that off camera so when I come back she'll be styled, and then I can show you guys the different styles that she can go up into. Okay guys, so I'm back after styling this hair and laying down the baby hairs that was in this wig. I don't know if you guys can see this, but these were the hairs that came in the wig. I didn't have to cut anything into them or add anything to them. The hairline on this wig is definitely gorgeous. It probably could use a little bit of thinning out. I am liking this hair so far. Like I said, this is kind of a lot of hair, but me being who I am, I love big hair, so for me it is okay, and it is very playful, so I really do like this hair. Now the cost of this wig, which I'll put right here, it cost $40 for me to purchase this wig. Yeah, it might seem a little bit high, but for all that you get in this hair, I do think it's worth it. I am going to rate this hair out of 10. So rating this hair, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Yes, a 7 out of 10. And would I repurchase this hair? Would this hair be on my repeat offender list? Nah, I don't think I would repurchase this hair, but that's just me personally. To each his own. Now it did say that this wig was a 4-part wig, and it does show on the card that you could style it in different ways. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and style it in the half up and half down so you guys can see what that looks like. So you can see, but this is all of the hair. This is around the side of the hair. This is the back of the hair. It goes to like the middle of my back. So let me go ahead and style her with you guys in the half up and half down. Might take a little work, but we're gonna make it work, okay? guys, so let me know what you think of this hair. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the description box below and tell me if you guys like this hair. Are you willing to purchase this hair? Just tell me guys what you think of this hair. Is it a thumbs up? Is it a thumbs down? What is your rating on this hair? And remember guys, if you are feeling the t-shirts that is in this video, these t-shirts were produced by my company Labimpressions, so you can find us on all the social media outlets and also at labimpressions.com. All of that information will be listed in the description box below. And make sure you go spam your girl on all her social media channels. All that information will be listed below. Over on Instagram under thee.ambernicole, I actually put up more personal videos on IGTV. So why don't you guys head over there and check that out, and make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You can also follow me on Facebook under Amber Nicole. All of that information will be listed below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Tell me how I'm doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, if no one has told you, you are beautiful, you are gorgeous, you are who God says you are. Many blessings.